Hey, it's me, Eamon.
And it's me, Jake.
So you see me in front of the camera a lot of the time doing interviews.
And you pretty much never see me because I'm the one behind the camera.
What am I saying then? So this week we hit 4,000 community members. We don't have 4,000 candles, but we'd like to thank you all for everything you've done to support ipXchange.
So if you didn't know this, it's just Eamon and I creating all of the content that you see from scratch.
We've written about companies like Digiland, Espressif, Nordic, which I'm sure you'll know. Our main focus is really disruptive companies like Ambic, LMO Engineering, a personal favorite of mine, Anthronics, MoveX. We don't just write about semiconductors, we write about the stuff that you need to integrate them. So we've got tower glass antennas, even Renata batteries.
So you've probably noticed on ipXchange that we don't use any ads at all. We're not paid by manufacturers to produce our content, and we just generally write about anything that we think will be useful to you design engineers.
And going to exhibitions as well all comes at a cost. The way ipXchange makes money is we rely on you guys to identify products that you think will work in your designs, and then we've got those board forms I'm always talking about on our website.
Every article that we write has a board form. It's a very simple form, so we can essentially matchmake you with the manufacturer.
So what you put into the form is details of your project, your time to market, the amount of units you're intending to put in your first production run. What we do is we get on a call with manufacturers, see if it's the right project for them, and then try and hook you up together.
And we make sure that if they're not going to talk to you, then we'll find someone else that will.
And if you didn't see what we were doing at Embedded World, you'll know that we will go to great lengths to try and get you connected with manufacturers.
We spend a good portion of our days just reaching out to manufacturers and actually making sure that they will help you evaluate their technology.
And it's really great when we can get them on calls and see how excited they are about some of the projects that you send us. Filling in those forms is how ipXchange funds itself.
So head to ipxchange.tech and get evaluating.
Keep designing.